Kris Aquino, may birthday wish sa kanyang sarili. Anya, sana mabigyan pa ako ng konting extension. Matapos ang kanyang exclusive interview, ibinandera naman ni Kris Aquino ang kanyang birthday post sa kanyang social media account. Sa pamamagitan ng Instagram, muling ipinaliwanag ni Kris ang kanyang heart condition na posibleng magdulot ng cardiac arrest. Because of Churg-Strauss, I now have cardiomyopathy, say niya sa IG. Paliwanag niya, this means my heart muscles are having trouble pumping blood due to inflammation. And because of that inflammation, it's exhausting my heart and causing it to begin to fail, and ultimately, please pray with me. Sana hindi tuluyang sumuko or mag-cardiac arrest. Dahil dyan ay humiling siya sa publiko na ipagdasal hindi lang siya, kundi pati na rin ang mga doktor at nurses na inaalagaan at ginagamot siya. Please help me pray for my doctors and my nurses so that God will continue to guide them as they try to heal me. Sambit niya. Patuloy pa niya, I have always believed in sharing the truth no matter how painful with all of you. Why? Because sinamahan niyo ako sa laban. Sana wag tayong sumuko sa ating pananampalataya na nakikinig ang Diyos sa mga dasal nang buo ang tiwala sa Kanya. Kasabay niyan ay tila parang namamaalam na si Kris sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay at isa-isa pa niya itong pinasalamatan. Just in case this is the last birthday I get to celebrate here on earth, thank you Kuya and Bimp for the most precious privilege of being chosen to be your mom. Thank you to my sisters for their love and generosity. Thank you to my small but very close circle of cousins and friends who have shared my life and their lives with me. Thank you to all of you for making all my childhood dreams come true. Mensahe ng dating TV host. Dagdag pa niya, pa-birthday nyo na please. I have a few loved ones and dear friends battling very difficult illness as well. Please pray for them too. Hiniling din niya na kahit marami siyang dinaramdam sa kalusugan, ay nais pa rin niyang mabuhay ng matagal. Anya pa, I still want to live. I know the odds are against me. Dahil ang puso hindi pwedeng diktahan, pero sana sa tulong ng dasal niyo, mabigyan pa ako ng konting extension. You have my love and eternal gratitude. Happy Valentine's Day. Green, orange heart emojis. Buong pahayag ni Kris Aquino. Sa comment section ng kanyang post, maraming celebrities at kilalang personalidad ang bumati sa kaarawan ni Kris at nagpaabot na rin ng dasal.